Sometimes, the dream is more real than the day. I see the water. I see the lighthouse, standing there, waiting for me. It is a place where the world finally stops shouting. But then the doors slam. The dream is gone. I am back in the box, moving right, always right, on the tracks that someone else built. Now, the momentum is mine. I am still moving right, but the tracks are gone. The blue plastic is replaced by the wind. The gray city, it is dying. The green forest, it is waking up.
Footsteps fade into the sand. Time slips like water.
In the forest, there is no schedule. The trees do not ask for your name. When you lean the bike, you are not fighting the earth. You are dancing with it. On the train, my mind was in yesterday. Here, I am only here, right now, in this turn.
The warmth is gone. The trail's gone cold.
You ride and you ride until the light becomes too bright, until the road ends and the dirt begins. This is the moment where you lose the world and you find yourself. Movement is the purest form of stillness. I didn't ride to escape my life. I rode to make sure my life did not escape me. No more boxes, just the soul and the wind.